Hellcat.
Student, good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you most important topic of the English grammar, that is adjective. In every language, adjectives are important element of sentences. Using adjective means that we can express the quality of any person or object. Without adjective, we could not say how any adjective looks like or the object look likes. Not only pronouns and adjectives are the words which are used for description of something or someday. Whenever we use adjective, they make our writings more visual and vivid. Our readers will get a better idea of what we wish them to picture when they read our writings. It appeals to our readers' senses. Therefore, they can hear, see, touch, taste, and even smell what you are describing. Also, use of adjective makes our reading and writing much more fun. So, in adjective, we have to read about the what is adjective and the kinds of adjectives and the uses of adjective and its example. First of all, we know what is an adjective. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, making your writing and speaking much more specific and a whole lot more interesting. Words like small, blue, and sharp are descriptive, and they are all examples of adjective because adjectives are used to identify or quantify individual, people, and unique things. They are usually positions before the noun or pronoun that they modify some sentences, certain multiple adjectives. After the what is adjective we know, then we have to know the examples. Some examples are given. They live in a big beautiful house. Means big beautiful, that is the adjective. Since it's a hot day, Lisha is wearing a sleeveless and the mountainous tops are covered in sparkling. So the black words all are the adjectives. So there are the types of the adjective. Remember that adjectives can modify as well as describe other words, and you will find it much easier to identify different types of adjectives. And here the adjective kinds of adjectives are given. 10 adjectives are given. The first of all, we have to know articles. So the articles is the first adjective. There are only 3 articles. We all of us know a, an, and the. And there is the 2 types of articles. One is the definite articles and the second is the indefinite articles. In the definite articles, only the is used. So here the example is the cat and the cottages are the. And the indefinite articles a and n. A lion, an, and that is the. And after that there is the possessive adjectives. In the possessive adjectives, it indicates possessive used to indicate the possession. Just the examples are given: my, your, his, her, its, our, their. So possessive adjectives also function as possessive pronouns. Here the example is that this is my book. And after that there is also given the demonstrative adjectives. Like the article, the demonstrative adjectives are used to indicate or demonstrate specific people, animals, or things. These, those, these, that are the demonstrative adjectives. And these are used for the near things, and that and those are used for the far things. And this and that is the singular thing used for the singular noun, and the these and those are used for the plural nouns. So here the examples are given. These books belongs on that. This movie is my favorite. And after that, the coordinate adjectives. Coordinate adjectives are separated with commas or the words and appear one after another to modify the same noun. The adjective in the phrases bright, sunny day and long and dark night are the coordinate adjectives. Number adjectives. When they are used in sentences, numbers adjectives are used, and you can tell that a number is an adjective when it answers the questions. The state was that, and it is said that adjective when it answered the he ate 23 hot dogs during the contest and was 6 afterwards. So any numbers can be used for the numbers adjective. And after that, the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are used for the question sentence. Which, what and whose are the examples. Like all other types of adjective, interrogative adjectives modify nouns. As you probably know, all three of these words are used to ask questions. Which, what and whose. Which option sound best to you? What time should we go? Whose socks are those? These are the examples. And after the interrogative adjectives, we have to know about the indefinite adjective. Like the articles a and an, indefinite adjectives are used to discuss non-specific things. You might use them. They formed from indefinite pronouns. The most common indefinite adjectives are any, many, no, several and few. Now examples are given. Do you have any peanut butter? Grandfather has been retired for many. There are no bananas in the fruit bowl. After the indefinite adjectives, there are the some odd there is given is adjectives and the color adjectives, origin adjectives and the material adjectives. Indefinite adjectives, the example is many people continue to ignore warnings. The examiners can pitch on any students. And the cardinal adjectives, the cardinal adjectives that modify the noun by numbering it, starting how many are cardinal. 5 pens, 6 tables, these are ordinal adjective. An ordinal adjective indicates the position of a noun in a series. Example, the first date, the third month. After the proper adjective, adjective derived from the proper names are the called proper adjective. They are easily recognizable in that they are always capitalized. The examples are Japanese food, Russian opera. Now the last, that is the noun used as a adjective. The sometimes noun can be used as adjective to define the describe another noun. The computer exhibition, a history teachers. And a note on the order of adjective. If you are using adjective in your own writing, order is important. When you list several adjectives in a row, there's a specific order they need to go in. Native English speakers tend to put them in the correct order naturally, but if you are learning English, you will have to memorize the order. So here is one is given the determiner and the observations, and that is the size. In the size, huge, tiny, for football, shape, square, circular, that is age, 10 years old, new, antique, color, black, red, blue, green, origin, Roman, English, Mongolian, material, silk, silver, plastic, qualified. This is the correct cumulative order for adjectives that come directly before a noun. They are not separated by commas. My beautiful big circular antique brown English wooden coffee table was broken in the middle. These are the adjective. Beautiful, coffee table, these are the. And the at last, I have to say that adjectives are the most important topic as the other topic in the English grammar, so we have to give attention in this also. Don't try to skip it. Thank you.